Dios mío, I look just as pale as the furniture behind me. Even the wall, baby. Look at that. Twins. This winter is doing me dirty. Hey, cariño, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy 2023. I know it's been a minute since the new year. You don't have to tell me. You don't have to tell me. Oh, I just moved the camera accidentally. But this is the first time I'm seeing you and you're seeing me in 2023, so that's all that matters. All right, so before we get started, let's talk about the song of the week. Also, let's change that up. Let's start calling this the song of the moment, because let's be serious, let's be real, let's look in the mirror for a minute. Yeah, let's reflect. Are you posting weekly, Nemesis? No. So why are you calling this a song of the week? It doesn't make sense anymore. So we're gonna call this a song of the moment. Okay, the song of the moment is Flowers by Miley Cyrus. Yeah, yeah, a banger. Miss Cyrus is back. Y'all don't understand how happy I am that Miley Cyrus is still relevant, because the amount of hours that I put in as a child obsessing over Miley Cyrus, Hannah Montana, Miley Stewart, and the whole cast of that goddamn show, y'all don't understand. But anyways, let's carry on. All right, so as you saw by the title of today's video, today we have a fun one. We're gonna have a fun little transformation moment today. I'm gonna show you how I take my hair from its natural curly state to a straight, voluminous 90s type of blowout, and how I bring it back to my natural curly state without damaging my hair and while preserving the health of my hair bonds. I am so excited for this video because the perfect partner for this exact type of video reached out to me. And I mean, y'all already saw it in the title of the video, but it's Olaplex. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what Olaplex set of products I use for when I want to straighten my hair, and what set of Olaplex products I like to use for when I want to bring my curls back to life. So let me shut up and hop in the shower so we can get this started. All right, besties, welcome to the shower. We're gonna start this transformation by washing our hair with the Olaplex number 4 and number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. I honestly used way more shampoo than what I needed. This shampoo is so thick, like it creates the thickest lather that I have ever witnessed from any shampoo ever. And for those of you that care about scent, this shampoo has kind of like a light citrusy scent that honestly doesn't linger at all. And now for the conditioner, just like the shampoo, this conditioner is so thick, so nourishing, love it so much. And the scent is kind of like less perfumey, but definitely smells like a hair product, if you know what I mean. Of course, I applied it everywhere, detangled my hair, and left it on for 3 minutes. Then I rinsed it all off and then had a jamming session in the shower, as you should. Yeah, I can buy myself flowers, single girl. And then of course I wrapped my hair in a microfiber towel, and that's it, girly, we're done. Hey, we're back. Ooh, the styling portion of this video is gonna be so fun. I haven't straightened my hair since my birthday. Okay, so straight out the shower, I haven't brushed my hair. I just picked up this brush. My hair looks pretty detangled already. Look at this. Exactly, period. That conditioner did its thing. Okay, so for heat styling, we're gonna be focusing on smoothing and protecting my hair as much as possible, and that's perfect because that's exactly what these two products do. Also, girl, when I tell you that my hair is overdue for a damn haircut, look how those ends are looking. But it's fine because I know that these products are gonna like help me pick the pieces back up and make them look good until I can finally get a haircut. This is the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I love me a good hair serum, especially when I'm gonna heat style my hair. Serums just take it a step further, and this one protects your hair from heat for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You know how hot that is, girl? Let's start with 2 pumps. Oh, I have a feeling this is what's gonna give me that like glossy finish when I blow dry my hair. I'm even gonna apply it like up here too, because I know that up here I get those little flyaways, those little like that frizzy crown. I do need a haircut though. Like this length, bitch. Look at this. I'm gonna stand up. Why is my hair reaching almost my belly button? Also, Selena, we love you, girl. Forever the queen. All right, and the next product we're gonna use is this one. This is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. I'm gonna use this as a leave-in treatment. It's gonna add some moisture, some frizz control, and according to the back of the bottle, it speeds up blow dry time while smoothing. So let's apply this everywhere. Oh, it said half a pump and I already pumped it twice. I'm sure I'll be fine. She's thickety thick, just like the bottle. My hair is ridiculously long right now, so I'm sure that that extra pump will do me fine. Oh, and again, for the girlies that care a lot about scent, this one smells really good. It smells it's like this very light powdery scent. Okay, that instantly just made my little ends look so much better. Are you alive? Look how it curls back up. She's alive. She's alive and well. So these are the two heat styling tools I'm gonna use for today. I'm not gonna use a blow dryer because I just don't have the skill set. But that's what hair brushes were made for. This is the one from T3. Oh, can you see it? Yes, you can. And after it's dry, we're gonna use heat rollers. Yeah. First things first, we gotta section this hair. Okay, I'm gonna start with the bottom layers and then move my way up. Okay, bitch, let's do this. Oh wait, I wanted to time myself so I can show you how long it actually takes me to do this. So it is now 10:52 a.m. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Split ends who? Exactly. Not too much, not too much. Girl, I'm not even done. And look at that shine. I haven't added oil, nothing. Girl. Exactly. Yo, literally finished that part in 10 minutes. And the bottom layers are all dry. Look at, bitch, look at this shine. Excuse me, missy Olaplex, wait. Okay, I'm gonna do the top layers and I will be right back. Again, it's 11:03. Let me see how long it takes me to do this part. Look at me, look at me. The time, it's, yes, I was watching New Girl. Not too much New Girl. Anyways, it was 11:18 when I finished this, so that was what, 15 minutes? Yes. So in total it was 25 minutes. That's not bad. Look how good it looks. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Look, I could shoot like a commercial right now. Look at this, look at this. Ain't no freaking way. Oh my god, these two products popped off. So honestly, I could just leave it like this, put on some oil and call it a day, but we want to take it a step further. So I'm gonna put on the rollers. I only have 8 rollers, so let me try to divide my hair in 8 sections and put them on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I look crazy. It's okay, it's all part of the process. You better trust the process, girly. The set comes with like these 4 in the middle are thicker, and then the 4 in the corners are a little bit smaller. So okay, I'm gonna do the thick ones in the bottom. These are so freaking hot. I am burning my fingers. I am burning my fingers. Why didn't these come with gloves? Let's be serious for a minute. Okay, first roller is on. Okay, you can do this, bitch. You can do this. This is why people go to salons, to do these, so that they don't suffer. Second roller is on. Girl, the way that I'm sweating right now, holy shoot. How do people just do these on a weekly basis? I guess that's what people with like straight hair say about people with curly hair. Like, how do you do that every week? Oh my god, you have to diffuse your hair. It's so hot. These clips aren't big enough for the rollers. Oh my god, okay. This is as stable as the rollers are gonna get. I'm gonna leave them on for 20 minutes while I go eat something, and I will be back to show you the final results. Okay, I'm back. Tell me why in those 20 minutes, both the FedEx and the UPS man both showed up, like one after the other, and they both saw me like this, and they were both like,
here you go.
And I was like, thanks. Anyways, it's time to take this off. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm just so excited to get this off my head. Okay, look at that. Jesus, the shine on my hair, baby. Oh my god. Third roller. Oh, this is the best one yet. Roller number 4. Let's speed this up. Oh no. We're done. Okay, let's fluff this up. Have y'all seen that girl? Oh, that got me dizzy. Have y'all seen that girl on TikTok that does that? Girl, look at this. Look at this. Split ends where? Where? And we're not even done, baby girl, because we're gonna finish it off with the Olaplex bonding oil. Ooh, this is not a stranger in my channel. We've spoken about her. I use this oil even when I just do my regular schmegular curly hair routine. I'm gonna do a couple of little drops, yeah, and then just glide it onto this beautiful masterpiece that I've created today. Who is that? Is she a model? Bella Hadid, count your days. So yes, these are my finished results after a full-on Olaplex blowout. Zero disappointment here. So I will end this part of the video here, and I will see you again for when I bring my curls and my waves back. All right, I'll see you, bye. Just kidding, hold on. I need to give you one last shot of this. Oh my God, I should not be able to look this good. It should cost $1 billion to look this good. Oh yeah, like Beyonce said. Okay, bye. Okay, besties, and we are back. Little disclaimer, you might hear screaming children in the background of this clip. I'm sorry, they're driving me insane. They're literally right in front of my head. Anyways, let's get to what we're here for. We're gonna bring our curls back using a different set of Olaplex products. So the focus of the previous routine was to smooth and protect, but the focus of this routine is going to be repairing and strengthening. So before even jumping in the shower to get this hair washed, we're gonna take care of that. First, we got the Olaplex number 0 intensive bond building hair treatment, and we're gonna combine it with this one. This is the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector, which is not a stranger in my channel. We stand this product. We have used it for a while now. I remember the first time I ever introduced this product to my channel was when I was still living in my old apartment. Like, these two products work in combination to strengthen and repair any type of damage, any broken bonds. This is gonna work as a primer, and this is gonna seal everything in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Of course, you can use these two products separately, but to get the most out of them, putting them together is where it's at. So I've already used this. I used it for the first time on a TikTok video in case you want to go check that out. But it's pretty easy to use. So you just kind of dampen your whole entire head of hair with this. I'm especially gonna put some on those crazy split ends that I have, which, I mean, not too much, because the treatment that I used to straighten my hair helped a lot with those split ends. But you know, just they need all the help they can get. Oh, little disclaimer about this product. It does have a very strong scent, not like perfumey or anything like that, but it has a strong like hair product scent. So if you're super sensitive to those, maybe smell this before buying it. Okay, so now that my hair is dampened entirely with this product, we're gonna top it off with this one. I was first introduced to Olaplex through this product, the number 3. I think is their most popular one. Like, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, Olaplex team, because it's that good, because it's that girl. I feel like it's the one product that everybody could benefit from. Everybody can use a bond repairing treatment in their hair at least minimum once a month. I'm just gonna put it from root to tip as per usual. Right, now that it's distributed, I'm just gonna brush it through, and that's it. I'm just gonna put it in a little claw clip for about 10 to 15 minutes. I think it's only 10 minutes that you need to leave it on. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower to get this transformation started. I'm of course gonna wash my hair once again with the Olaplex number 4 and number 5, and then I'm gonna introduce you to Miss number 8. Watch out. All right, and welcome back to the shower. So after washing my hair with the number 4 and number 5, I'm gonna be using the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This is a super thick and creamy concentrated reparative mask that adds shine and intense moisture to treat damaged hair. In simpler words, this is the mask you use when you've put your hair through some I applied it everywhere from root to tip, detangled, and look, my curls are already coming back. Then I just put on my little claw clip to keep the mask on for 10 minutes, then rinsed off, put my hair up in my little towel, and let's get out the shower to style these curls. Okay, besties, we're out the shower. I know, I stayed in the bathroom because honestly, the sun already went down. It's like 4 o'clock and the sun is gone. So we are going to bring these curls back straight from the bathroom, girl. And I'm going to use number 6 and number 9 once again. You guys have already seen me style my curls 70,527 times. So we're not gonna go into a lot of detail on how I style my curls, but I still wanted to show you that these Olaplex products can be used even for curly hair. I just applied the number 6 all over this half, and look, before even adding anything else, look at this. My little curls are coming back. I'm just gonna keep brush styling my hair off camera. You guys have already seen that so many times. And right before diffusing, I'm gonna apply at least like a pump to 2 pumps of the little serum to protect my hair from heat. And I will be right back when my curls are all dry. Okay, bye. And we are back. And so are the curls. But we are not fully done, because as per usual, we gotta add some oil, baby, some bonding oil. And of course, we're gonna use the Olaplex number 7 just to seal in all of that moisture, make sure I can keep the frizz away. The way my hair drinks up this oil, no matter if it's straight or curly, is just, it's just so good. And that's it. The curls are back as if they never left. And the same shine that I had when I straightened my hair is still there, even where my hair is curly. Look at that, look at that. The curls are curling, the ringlets are ringleting. So I am done for today. I'm gonna see you on the next one to talk final thoughts. Okay, besties, and we are done. Yes, we're back to the other background. It's literally the next day. I couldn't film the outro last night. It literally got so freaking dark at 4 p.m. It was ridiculous. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed that, like watching the transformation from curly to straight and from straight to curly. Of course, using all Olaplex goodies. Absolutely everything that I used will be linked down below. If you ask me, like the absolute gems, the absolute, like, let's say the top 3 gems of everything that I used would be these 3. These 3 right here. The Olaplex number 3 stays being iconic. It's just such a good like maintenance product to have and to use on a weekly basis or bi-weekly or once a month. Whenever you need it, she'll be right there. She'll be right there for you. And then these 2 other products, the number 9 and their number 6, so good whenever you want to style your hair straight or when you want to style your hair curly, but especially when you want to straighten your hair. Ooh, perfect blowout in a bottle. So again, I hope you found this helpful or entertaining, or I don't know, at least I hope that you had a good time watching it. Thanks again to Olaplex for sponsoring this video, for partnering with me. This was such a cool opportunity. Also, thank you guys so much for still watching till the end, for still subscribing, for still liking my videos. I love you so much. If you want to follow up with me between uploads, please follow me on Instagram at NemesisMarie06 and on TikTok at NemesisMarie_06. I am now really posting on TikTok. Like, I'm stepping up my... But most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Bye.